Hey techs, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to quick look in Finder on your Mac. Let's say we have Finder open and there are a lot of files. However, I don't want to open every single file to view. All I want to do is just to preview them. Instead of opening them by double clicking on the files, we can click on the first file and hit the space bar. As you can see, it shows a preview, and it is much quicker than double-clicking on it. It also applies to any file type. You can use your arrow keys to go preview the other files. For example, images, Word files, Excel files, and PDFs. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoy the video, and I'll see you in the next one.